top three, aquatic program coordinator for the University of Minnesota Aquatic Center, Luke Day. Finishing third in a time of 4:24.29, Jack Brown. Silver medalist from Lake Forest Swim Club, 4:23.34 his time, Connor Dwyer. And your Grand Prix champion in the men's 400-meter individual medley, representing North Baltimore Aquatic Club, winning time of 4:21.13, Chase Kalish. Everybody in the building, please join me in congratulating your top three in the 400 IM, led by your champion, Chase Kalish. Great job, guys. Okay, folks, here is the plan for our relay warm-up. The current time is 8:07. We are on a 10-minute break. We will open up lane 7 for dive sprints only during the relay warm-up.